The mighty have fallen. So Mac is on the sunny coast. Hello.
Having a great morning here. Thank you. And hello, everyone. Big round of applause for Sammy, Skills FJ, all the way from Fiji. Thank you for coming to have a chat with us, my friend. Really nice to see you. You're playing Salty Saturdays. Tell us about the gigs here.
So, Salty Saturdays happens every second Saturday of the month.
Yeah.
And it was established in the year 2022.
Okay, and so lots of different musicians?
Oh, heaps. It's like my favorite mini festival to perform here on the Sunshine Coast.
Amazing. You moved from Fiji, living here on the Sunshine Coast
in the year 2020.
And tell me about living in Australia. Are you loving it? You've stayed? You're obviously happy?
Yep, stayed happy. As you can see, happy here and happy, you know.
And what are you going to play for us today?
So today I'll be playing a song. Well, I won't be playing a song. We will be playing a song called Riptide by Vance Joy.
Oh, he happens to travel with two guitars. He said you're joining in, so you ready for this, guys? A little collaboration coming up after your weather.
Sunrise weather brought to you by Beacon Lighting, where everything is up to 50% off. Lights, fans, everything is up to 50% off. Get in quick before the sale ends.
Brisbane, possible shower 31. Sydney, showers, possible storm and 27. Canberra, showers, possible storm and 23. Melbourne, partly cloudy 26. Hobart, cloudy and 21. Adelaide, sunny and 34. Perth, partly cloudy and 28. Darwin, showers, possible storm and 32. Okay, you ready, everybody? Here we go. This is Sam, Skills FJ. Make some noise for him all the way from Fiji. Here we go.
Taken away to the dark side. I want to be your left-hand man. Yeah. I love you when you sing that song, and I got a lump in my throat, cause you're gonna sing the words all wrong.
Yeah, make some noise. Yeah. Thank you so much. That was amazing, my friend. Thank you. And very clever. He got me to join in, so if we get sued by Vance Joy, I have to cop the legal fee. He's smart. He knows what he's doing. We're going to be back with more in half an hour. See you soon, everybody.
Awesome. See you soon. Thank you, Sam.
Thanks,
The Super Bowl halftime show.